Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the headlines when it comes to Palestine? In the next few moments, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey, a journey that promises to reveal a Palestine rarely seen. It's not about the politics, it's not about the disputes, it's about the land and its people. We'll be threading our way through ancient streets where history has left its indelible mark on every stone. We'll be visiting key historical and cultural landmarks that have borne witness to the passage of time and have stories to tell. We'll be delving into the vibrant, bustling life of Palestinians, a life that continues to thrive amidst adversity. This journey is about unearthing the hidden gems of Palestine, about peeling back the layers of time and experience to reveal the heart of a land and its people. So buckle up and open your minds as we set off on this adventure together. Let's unveil the true essence of Palestine, a land steeped in history, culture, and resilience. Our journey begins in the ancient city of Jerusalem. A city with a history that spans millennia, Jerusalem is a tapestry woven with threads of various cultures, religions, and epics. Its significance cannot be understated. It's a city where history is alive and resonates in every corner, every stone, every echo of a prayer. Let's delve into the heart of the city, where landmarks of immense historical and religious value stand tall. The Al-Aqsa Mosque, for instance, is not merely a structure of stone and mortar. It's a symbol, a beacon of faith for millions of Muslims around the world. Its silver-domed majesty, standing against the Jerusalem skyline, is a sight to behold. It whispers tales of devotion, of pilgrimages undertaken, and of prayers offered in the hope of peace. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the Western Wall. This ancient limestone wall, also known as the Wailing Wall, is a sacred site for the Jewish community. Its crevices hold thousands of handwritten notes, each a humble request or heartfelt prayer to the divine. The wall stands as a poignant reminder of the enduring faith and resilience of the Jewish people. Then there's the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, a place of profound significance for Christians worldwide. It's believed to house the very site where Jesus was crucified, buried, and resurrected. The air within the church carries a weight of reverence and awe. It's a place where faith transcends time, reminding us of the deep spiritual roots that run through this land. But these landmarks are more than just places of worship. They are threads in the rich tapestry of Palestinian identity. They are testaments to the endurance of faith, to the power of belief, and to the indomitable spirit of the Palestinian people. They stand as reminders of a past that has shaped the present, and a future that continues to be written with every sunrise over this ancient city. From the holy city of Jerusalem, we move towards the heart of Palestinian culture. Join us as we continue our journey through the mesmerizing landscapes and vibrant communities of Free Palestine. Welcome to Ramallah, the bustling cultural hub of Palestine. Bubbling with life, Ramallah is a city that never sleeps. A vibrant metropolis teeming with a dynamic art scene, it's a place where the ancient and the contemporary dance together in a mesmerizing rhythm. As we stroll through its lively streets, we're greeted by the colorful murals painted by local artists, a vivid testament to their creativity and spirit, and a reflection of the city's soul. Ramallah's culinary scene is a gastronomic delight, a fusion of traditional Middle Eastern flavors and innovative contemporary twists. The aroma of freshly baked manakish wafts through the air, mingling with the scent of strong Arabic coffee, while the bustling markets overflow with fresh fruits, vegetables, and local delicacies. Each bite here is a journey through centuries of culinary tradition, a savory tale of the city's heritage. But the city's heart truly beats in its people. Spirited, resilient, and welcoming, they are the lifeblood of Ramallah. Their stories and traditions, passed down through generations, pulse through the city's veins, giving it its unique rhythm. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city comes alive in a different way. The nightlife in Ramallah is a vibrant blend of music, dance, and celebration. From traditional dabki performances to modern electronic music, the city's night scene is as diverse as its people. Culture is not just a part of life in Palestine, it is life. And nowhere is this more evident than in its festivals. The Palestine International Film Festival, for example, is not just an event, but a celebration of the indomitable Palestinian spirit, as told through the lens of its filmmakers. Immersed in the culture of Ramallah, we now journey towards the beauty of the Palestinian landscape. From the bustling city life to the tranquil beauty of its countryside, Palestine is a symphony of contrasts, each note more enchanting than the last. So let's continue our journey and let this fascinating land reveal its secrets to us. A journey through Palestine wouldn't be complete without experiencing its breathtaking landscape. As we venture further, the canvas of Palestine unfolds, revealing a tapestry of natural beauty and diversity that is truly awe-inspiring. Imagine the sight of rolling hills carpeted with ancient olive groves. These trees, some hundreds of years old, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their gnarled trunks and verdant leaves a testament to the resilience of nature. The olive groves are not just a scenic spectacle, they are the lifeblood of many Palestinian families, their fruits yielding oil that is renowned worldwide for its exceptional quality. Venture further, and you'll encounter the stunning Dead Sea. This marvel of nature, the lowest point on Earth, is a dazzling expanse of water that shimmers under the Middle Eastern sun. Its high salt content makes swimming feel more like floating, a surreal experience that is as fun as it is unique. But the Dead Sea is more than just a natural spectacle. Its mineral-rich mud is known for its therapeutic properties, and it plays a significant role in the Palestinian economy, contributing to the thriving wellness and skincare industry. It's a sea that gives life in more ways than one. Between the olive groves and the Dead Sea, the Palestinian landscape is dotted with citrus orchards, date palm plantations, and vineyards. These not only add to the visual allure, but also play a significant role in the Palestinian lifestyle, their produce being integral to the local cuisine. The landscape of Palestine is a symphony of natural wonders that not only delight the senses, but also provide sustenance and livelihood to its people. It's a testament to the harmony between man and nature, a harmony that is deeply rooted in the Palestinian way of life. As we leave the stunning vistas behind, it's time to delve into the resilient spirit of the Palestinian people. So let's continue our journey and discover the stories that this land and its people have to tell. In the face of adversity, the spirit of resilience shines the brightest. As we journey through Palestine, the spirit of resilience is evident in every corner, echoing through the ages and resonating in the voices of the people. This land, steeped in history, has seen its share of struggles, but it's the unwavering hope of its inhabitants that paints the true essence of this place. In the bustling markets of Gaza, amid the vibrant colors and the rhythmic hum of activity, we find the story of Fatima, a merchant selling intricately woven rugs. Her hands have known hard work and her eyes, the harsh realities of life. Yet her spirit remains unbroken. Every thread she weaves is a testament to her strength, her resilience, and her hope for brighter days. In the heart of the West Bank, under the shade of ancient olive trees, we meet Youssef, a farmer painstakingly tending to his groves. The trees, gnarled and ancient, stand as silent witnesses to his tenacity. Despite the challenges that come his way, Youssef perseveres, nurturing his trees with the same fierce determination he holds for a peaceful future. And in the narrow, winding streets of East Jerusalem, we encounter the infectious energy of Aisha, a teacher inspiring young minds with stories of their heritage. Her classroom is a beacon of hope, her lessons, a bridge to a future where understanding and respect reign supreme. These stories, these individuals, they embody the spirit of resilience that is the heartbeat of Palestine. They face adversity with courage, they hold on to hope with unwavering determination, and they strive tirelessly to make a difference in their communities. Every step we've taken through this land, every story we've heard, they're all a part of the intricate tapestry that is Palestine. A tapestry woven with threads of resilience, courage, and an undying hope for a peaceful future. Our journey through Palestine has been a testament to the strength and vibrancy of its people. As our journey through Palestine comes to a close, let's reflect on what we've discovered. We've journeyed through time, exploring the enigma of an ancient land steeped in history and wonder. We've marveled at the relics of a time long past, standing as silent testament to the vibrant culture that has shaped this region. We've experienced the pulse of Palestine, its cultural heartbeat resonating in the bustling markets, the aroma of street food, and the laughter of its people. We've traversed majestic landscapes from rolling hills to serene coastlines, each scene a breathtaking canvas painted by nature. Above all, we've witnessed the indomitable spirit of resilience that defines the Palestinian people. A spirit that, despite adversity, continues to thrive and flourish. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Palestine. If you enjoyed this experience, remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys around the world.